Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about immigration opportunities, international jobs, and realistic ways to earn online while planning your move abroad. Let me say this clearly from the start. This is not a get rich quick video. There are no fake promises, there are no scam websites, and nobody is here saying you will make huge money overnight. What I'm sharing today is purely information. Many people preparing for immigration ask me the same question. Can I earn online while waiting for my visa, documents, or job sponsorship? The answer is yes, but only if your expectations are realistic. Today, I'll be talking about two legitimate platforms that can pay you to work as an online moderator. This is not an adult content. This is not illegal work, and these platforms are widely used internationally. The two platforms are called Cambly and Preply. Let me also be honest, these platforms will not replace a full-time professional salary. They do not sponsor visas, okay? But they can help you earn small legal income while you plan your next step. This can be useful if you're waiting for immigration results, between jobs, or trying to stay financially active without breaking any laws. So in this video, I will explain how they work, who they are suitable for, and who they are not suitable for. So if you're interested in legal online work and that fits around your immigration plans, keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's begin. So the first one is Cambly. Cambly is an online tutor platform where teachers sign up to teach students. You can teach kids, adults, depending on your expertise. Okay, so if you want to become a tutor, go ahead. Let me first of all show you the interface. Okay, it's an English platform where you teach in English. It is a legal platform. There's nothing fishy or scam about it. You can see you students come here to sign up for lessons. So if you teach English, if you teach any subject at all, you can come here and sign up. You can see the amount of money they pay. Small group pay like £11 per month. Private teaching £27 and 38 and for pros £38. So people come here to sign up like this. If someone wants to join a group, they will sign up here. 100% native English speaking tutors. Small group lessons with a tutor and 1 to 2 students. They'll pay $11. And those that want you to teach them one-on-one for a private lesson, this is what they will pay per month. This is not a one-off payment. And this is pros for learners seeking exclusive pro tutors, structured lessons, and personalized guidance. They will sign up for that £8 per month. So this is just the interface for those that want to sign up. And it has a mobile app that you can get on App Store or Google Play Store. But for teachers, let's go back there. Click on Become a Tutor. I hope you're paying attention. You can't get in through the other side, the page. You can't get in through the main page. You have to sign up as a tutor. Tutor with Cambly. Get paid to chat with people from around the world, right? Although the intro says chatting, is about tutoring, okay? Because you have to interact with people. That's why we say chatting, but it's mainly for teachers. So the payment is weekly. You earn for every minute you spend teaching or chatting. So you make $10.02 per hour on Cambly. For Cambly, okay, they have Cambly and Cambly Kids. Okay, this one they have Cambly and Cambly Kids. For Cambly Kids, you make $12 an hour. Cambly offers weekly pay via PayPal, direct deposit, and more. So it is perfect for those outside the US, UK, Canada. Those that are in Africa, it's perfect. You can always cash out via PayPal, direct deposit, and other payment method. You can tutor anytime with your students spread across globe. You can find students I can work according to your time. And if you're serious, you want to leverage this opportunity to increase your income, you can as well sign up and start teaching during American time or Chinese time. Okay, you teach during their time when your country is supposed to be sleeping, you'll be teaching. So this is not going to replace your 9 to 5, but you can do this on the side. They have one-on-one, they have group, and they have private one, pro ones, like that. So to get started, click on get started. Then the sign up phase is very easy. Just start with your Google, your Apple, Facebook IDs, or you sign up with your email address and create an account and you start tutoring. So let's do a little bit. I'll just use my Google account to sign up. Let me see, let me use my email address to sign up and see. So now, let me save my password. You are about to start an amazing journey. Before taking the next step, we need to confirm where you live. Please indicate your primary residence. So if you scroll down, you're going to see that your country is here. Your country is on the list, right? So I'll select my location. Feel free to enter your location. Where do you want to start? You can come back to sign up for both platforms. So if you want to start from here, you can go ahead, Cambly students 18 plus or Cambly kids. I don't know, but Cambly kids pays more. But you can also come back to sign up for both platforms. I think we should start with this. Let's start with the adults. Welcome to Cambly. On behalf of Cambly students, we are so happy you're here. Speaking English with a foreigner can be intimidating, but with your warmth, patience, and guidance, the students you meet will be chatting with confidence in no time. The Cambly tutor sign-up process takes about 15 minutes and we will guide you through. I might not finish this registration here, but yeah, this is where we are now, the welcome phase. Let's get started. Then you start creating your profile. Click on here to put your profile picture. Then you record a 1 to 3 minute introduction video to help students get to know you. Because students love videos that highlight a tutor's teaching style, expertise, and friendly personality. The best videos are natural and unscripted, so students know what they can expect. So it takes hard work. You record or you upload, okay? Tell them what you do, what you plan to teach them, and how you plan to stay active on this platform. So introduction, say hello and introduce yourself to students. This will be the first thing student read. Put it here. About you, this is a great place to add anything else you'd like students to know. And for the language, select the languages you speak. Select specialties, select the specialties. Preferred levels, language skills, test preparation, industry familiarity. Select everything here. I know that a lot of you have good grades, good qualifications, and you can leverage this opportunity while you're waiting for your visa sponsorship jobs to start, you know, increasing your finances. So I will stop this one here. If you want to go back and sign up, that's after you complete this one and you also want to teach in the Cambly case, you go back to the sign up phase. Okay, it's here already. You can go back and sign up for the Cambly case. You see, both of them are here, but you can be teaching both sides. It's the same thing. It's the same platform. You can be teaching both sides and be earning. Okay. And then the second one is this one, preply.com. It's an online language tutor platform. So if you click here, you see everything about it. You see every single thing about it, alright? But because I don't want this video to be too long, how it works, they will find tutor here and start learning. They make progress every week. Just click on become a tutor. You sign up, create a tutor profile, get approved by their team in 5 business days. So if you sign up today, don't tell me they have not gotten back to you after one day. 5 business days, then start earning by teaching students all over the world. Set your own rate. Teach anytime, anywhere, grow professionally, teach students from over 180 countries, like that. So it's quite easy. What equipment do you need? You need a laptop or a desktop, a stable internet, a webcam, and a microphone. But believe me, you can do this on your phone. You can't do this on your phone. Okay, what subjects can you teach? They have over 100 subjects. Just choose anyone that you can teach and start teaching. If you need further clarification, let me know in the comments. Okay, so now you've seen how these two platforms work. I want to end this video with honesty. Cambly and Preply are tools, not shortcuts. They won't make you rich. They won't replace a skilled job abroad, but they can help you stay productive, earn small legal income, and gain international work experience. If your main goal is immigration, always remember this: online work should support your plan, not distract you from it. That's why on this channel, we focus on visa sponsorship jobs, care and education pathways, charity and international recruitment, and safe online opportunities that don't put your future at risk. Before joining any platform, always read the official website, understand payment terms, and avoid anyone asking for upfront fees. Alright? If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone planning to relocate, and subscribe to the channel for more immigration and global job updates. Plan smart, stay legal, and don't rush your journey. I'll see you in the next video.